Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here in downtown Port Royal Street to be exact. We're at the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project. That's what we're taking a look at today. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content. Subscribing is completely free. The aim is to get to 6,000 subscribers by the end of August, so join the family guys, and definitely share the video, like and comment as well. And if you want to donate to the channel, we're working on getting a drone. You can also do that. We have PayPal options. It's very windy, so you may hear the wind noise, but we're at the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project. So the plan is to create a storm wall along with other barriers on the coastline. So this is where the project is starting from. This is the Raytown fishing village, and it will run on this coastline straight to the new Foreign Affairs building. That's the building, the tallest building on the left. That's the new Foreign Affairs building. I need to do a review of that building as well. It has light on it at night. It's very beautiful. So this is the starting of the project. It's a Jamaica $950 million project with a loan from the World Bank. Over this side is the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. And they are rehabilitating 1 kilometer of roadway. They will also have a boardwalk so persons can, run and walk on. And they'll also have a 800-meter fishing area as well, down at the Raytown fishing village. So this is the barricade right here to protect the work site from boats. So that's the sea barricade, and we have some ships docked at sea. So a few ship docked, and straight out there is the Caribbean Maritime University. I know you can hardly see it because of the heavy wind. You can hardly see it, but I'm just trying to show you guys what's happening in Jamaica, the awesome developments, the great developments. So a lot of time the news is flood with crime, violence and the coronavirus, but it's good to see that there's still some great development happening in Jamaica as well. So definitely share this video guys, so persons both in Jamaica and abroad can see what's happening guys. So they have excavated up to this point. Alright, so what they're building is a storm surge protective barricade. So when there is high tide or even not hurricane, it doesn't wash the sand and the water and everything onto the surface. So it will be a mixture of concrete and stones as well. Seawall armor stone. So this is where the project is starting, right next door to the Raytown fishing village. Hope you guys are hearing me clearly. It's very windy. As I mentioned, the project is financed by the World Bank, 950 million Jamaican dollar. So I know you guys will leave your comments and thoughts. Alright guys, remember to subscribe, comment, like and share.